contact. Take him out. On your go. On me. Move into cover. Hold up. Come on.
Let's go.
Thanks. You heard him! Come on! Let's get out of here.
We've got company!
Keep on firing!
Shit! Chopper! More incoming!
Keep them off us! Hang on!
Fuck!
Keep on firing, goddammit!
I think we're in the clear! Oh shit! Hit it!
Strike 2, backup is on the way.
I need immediate...
They're all over us!
Put you to Monarch! We need backup now!
They're falling back! We're in the clear! Listen to me, Rue. Venice did not go down like that. Gilman is... they're trying to erase their involvement.
What involvement? What are you talking about?
They planned it all. I've dug around. I've connected the dots. It's... I can see it now. Gilman was behind the whole thing.
Ah, so the world's biggest private security contractor is, what? A front for the World Liberation Army? That is what you're telling me. We have been working for terrorists.
I need your help, Rue. You're the only one I can trust. They know I've been asking questions.
And the mission report, why did you sign it?
They made me when I got back to Tokyo. Lily. My daughter. They threatened to hurt her.
Have you spoken to anyone else about this bullshit? Because I think you'll need to... Wait. Fuck!
You'll be able to engage in multiplayer battles by yours, but for now, let's review the camp. Initializing aerial overview. Video feed is coming online now. Select the mission group to expand it. Let's initiate the first mission now.
What the?
Over here! Quick! Follow me! Hurry! This way!
What the hell is happening?
My name is Miku. Ruth sends me. Right now, we need to get out of here. Wait here!
You okay?
I'm fine. Run! Hide! This way!
Stay back!
Get down!
I think that's the last of them.
Here. Ruth told me to give this to you, so she can contact you.
Thanks.